monire, tampokererani. So, welcome to my channel, Chitumbuka Naroreni. On this channel, I'll be teaching you Chitumbuka. Chitumbuka is my mother tongue. It is spoken in Malawi, but also some parts of other countries in the southern Africa. For example, in Zambia, they just call it a different language, a different name, Lunda, but it's the same Chitumbuka. So, in Malawi, we have several languages, and Chitumbuka is one of them. We have Chichewa. I also have a channel that where I'm teaching Chichewa. Chichewa is it's our national language. So much as Chitumbuka is my mother tongue, but I also am fluent in Chichewa. So yeah, and we also have Chiyao, Chitonga, Chingoni, Chinkonde, you know, um, Chiromwe, Chisena, different dialects. But on this channel, Chitumbuka Narolen, we are focusing on Chitumbuka. So it doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or you have some knowledge of Chitumbuka, you will still learn a lot, because this is like really exposing myself, exposing who we are and how we say things, how we do things, everything, and I'll not hold anything back. So I'm so excited for you. So whether you are already in Malawi or you are planning to travel to Malawi, or you just want a language, you are located any part of the world, or you are a Malawian but Chitumbuka is not your mother tongue and you want to perfect the language, this channel is for you. So get excited as I am. Thank you for being here, and bye. Naruta. Yeo means thank you, so that's what you will be responding. Say yeo. Okay, bye.